Tired of thinking a master's degree is out of reach? I'll show you exactly how to get one on Coursera, step by step. No crazy costs, no rigid schedules, just a clear path from where you are right now to a real degree from a real university. So here's the plan. First, we'll go to Coursera, find the master's degree section, then pick a program and apply. Let's start. All right, the first step is to open up your browser and go to Coursera. Now, this might seem obvious, but I want to make sure we're starting from the same page. Just type in Coursera.org into your address bar. You'll land on their homepage. It's a busy page with lots of courses, but don't get distracted. We're here for something specific. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a button that says Explore. Click on that. This opens up the full menu of everything Coursera has to offer. It's their main navigation hub, and it's where we'll find our way to degrees. Now, when that menu drops down, you'll see a section labeled Earn an Online Degree. Under that, there's an option that says Master's Degree. Click on that. This filters out all the single courses and specializations and shows you only the full master's programs. And here's the thing. This is where the AI Mastery Guide really shines. We've already done the heavy lifting of research, so you don't have to dig through hundreds of unrelated classes. So now you're on the master's degree landing page. You'll see a list of different degree fields: computer science, data science, artificial intelligence, business, and a few others. These are the real in-demand areas that universities actually partner with Coursera to offer. Click on whichever degree field interests you most. This will take you to a page dedicated to that specific subject, with a list of programs from different universities. Finally, you'll see the program that fits what you're looking for. On its page, there's a prominent button that says Apply Now, or just Apply. Click that. Now, here's a practical tip. Each program has its own admission pathway. Some might ask for a bachelor's degree, others might accept work experience. Some even have a performance-based admission track, where you start with a few courses, and if you do well, you're automatically accepted into the full degree. So read the requirements on the page carefully before you submit. It saves time and headaches. And that's it. You've gone from feeling like a master's degree was impossible to standing at the doorstep of a real application. You know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect next. So go ahead, take that first step. Open Coursera. The rest is just following the path.